Agricultural application of alkynes, alcohol, and ethers. Alkynes, alcohols, and ethers play crucial roles in agricultural application, contributing to enhanced crop yields, pest control, and improved agricultural practices. Alkynes, characterized by their triple carbon-carbon bonds, find use in herbicides, and alkynes derivatives exhibits herbidical activity against various weed species and ability to disrupt plant growth processes. Alcohol, with their hydroxyl function group, are widely used in agricultural formulations. Ethanol, a simple alcohol serves as a solvent and carrier for pesticide and fertilizer. It, its biodegradability and low toxicity make it an environmentally friendly option. Ethers, featuring an oxygen atom linked to two alkyl groups, are employed as solvent and in the synthesis of agricultural chemicals. Alkynes, alcohols, and ethers contribute significantly to agricultural practices. Their unique chemical properties enable them to serve as herbicides, solvents, and components of various agricultural formulations, ultimately contributing to improved crop production and sustainability agricultural practices.